Today we are going to be showing you our latest project, which is our horse barn. So far we have the foundation put in. We have water over here, our drain, and electrical over there. We are building a 30 by 40 by 12. It'll have 2 stalls in it. So today we are working on putting up the walls and building the walls. So we're going to be posting some videos in here of that. To give you a little bit of a backstory, my husband and I, we built our house a year ago. Wanted to get it all on video, just never got the chance. I actually work as a real estate agent in the Des Moines area, and he works in the construction field as a shop manager for a foundation company. So we're hoping you like the videos and stay tuned for our next projects. So the next step is we are going to put the walls together. I'm actually going to cut the wood and Brendan's going to put the panels together. So let's see how this goes.
Little idea of what we got going on here. So I actually drew up all these panels on Google SketchUp. Just to kind of simplify things, and every piece of lumber we have here is actually I drew up in different sections, and by doing so we don't have to measure much, we don't have to really do anything. We have a cut station set up, so I can me and Danny can go, we can look at a print and it says we need six of these, 8 of these, and we just cut, and then we can put them together right here on the ground. We're sheeting them, house wrapping them as we go, and then we will eventually lift them up and set them on the wall. We have 11 total sections, and right now I'm almost done with my third, which these are the big sections. They start getting smaller and smaller as we go. Once we get to that point, when we're done with those, we will be setting them, but it makes it easier doing everything on the ground when it's just me and Danny working on it. Now I'm hoping to have some help this weekend, but we will see. So stay tuned, and you'll be seeing us build a lot of panels.
All right, guys, well, I think that's going to conclude our first part in the sidewall construction. So if you have any questions, comments, advice, please comment below. We would be happy to hear from you. And also like and subscribe, because next we will be standing the walls, and we'll make sure that we post the video on that. So we will see you soon.